Here is a question that you can ask yourself that will empower you and help you create a vision for your brand. And this comes from a guy named Donald Miller. He wrote a great book called Building a Story Brand. And he says this: ask yourself, if you were a character in a movie, okay, what would you need to do to make the movie really good? Think about that. But before you can be a character in a movie, you need a movie. What is your movie about? What is your brand about? So think about that. That's the foundation of your brand. It's important to know. What are you committed to? What inspires you to get up in the morning and get to work? Welcome to Fashion Premier Academy. Design your future now.